Welcome back by your coffee lover. Today we are going to see how to make a cappuccino just like the ones they make at the coffee shop. Also do some troubleshooting and try to recognize frequent mistakes when frothing our milk. And now, this is how to do it. First of all, let's purge our steam wand. We place the steam wand on the milk surface so that we can incorporate as much air as possible. The first 5 seconds we stay on the top, and please remember to use fresh whole milk at 4 degrees Celsius, straight from the fridge. Put in your steam wand, incorporate some air, and as you can see, we will then create a vortex right here inside the milk pot. There we go. The milk starts circulating in the pot, and the air is incorporated. Now, just wait for it to reach the desired temperature. Try never to exceed 65 degrees Celsius. And how do we know when we've reached that temperature in the milk? When the milk starts frothing, it means that we have more or less reached the desired temperature. At that point, after a few seconds, the milk will be ready. It will become shiny and extremely velvety. Don't forget to clean the steam wand. This is exactly how to do it at my favorite coffee shop. It is now your turn to make a cappuccino. Wow!